Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, West Virginia Outsider here. Been a few days since I did one, just never had the time to do one. My daughter just had surgery on her eyes and stuff, and so like I said, it's been a while, but I just want to give you a rundown what I was doing on my little bit of free time. In my latest video of the RC fishing boat, 4.5 footer, if you noticed in my latest video that I had to rebuild some stuff came apart, came unglued, so I redid the whole boat, put new wood in for the hatch, and I redid the hatch, and it's totally different now. So I changed some stuff up. I do have something ordered for it. The stick on is just not done yet, but and it's pouring down the rain, so I don't know if you can hear me or not, but I'll turn you around and let you see what I got going. Alright, there's the newly refurbished boat, and as you've seen before, I had a chain through here, through the eye bolts. Now I do not. And how I did not, I tied a little loop and I heated it up and melted the end together to the rope so it won't pull back through. But I still got my cleats on. New paint job. And I'm really liking the paint job I've done to it. Shawang. Boy, that really pops on that boat. I just put those on there. And what I have ordered is going to go from 16 inches on the bow on both sides. I will do another video of it after I get them. And oh, hi Fred. Hey, he's a little shy. Come on, Fred. Yeah, there's the other one over there. He got his back turned. He ain't very friendly. And the other one up there, he's too busy going to be driving the boat. There's the mechanic. Yeah, he's all dirty. Good job taking off my face. Alright. He's a meanie too. A little new table. I did reuse my little bench that I made. I did reuse the front. You see, gone fishing. Did put them on there. I used the foam board. Make it a little lighter. I was going to use wood, but I didn't. And the railing, it used to be up here on my old top, but I did it like that. And I do have a fishing pole up on there now. I did string new line on it. Then there's the reel. Hey guys, I tell you what, this thing, that reel with the motor on it, it makes it a whole lot easier to spool your reel up. You don't have to do anything. It spools it for you. You just tie it on there, run your line through your eyes of your fishing pole, turn the motor on and sit back till it fills up, and turn it off. Makes life a lot easier. I got my cleats there. both sides. Another little sticker. Toolbox. It just sits on there. It is a double rudder. I built everything. That back here don't look too good, but you don't see it once it's in the water. My batteries. Just got a good way to go. It hits 8.60 before it's done. But there's the other little meanie right there. He's the security of the boat. I got another sticker on that side. I do have the water ports for the water pump in it. I did fix the water pump. It took a crap on me when I was up there running it. I'll just see if I can get this top off without destroying all the guys I put on there. And the way I had the top before, oops, hold on a second, guys. I forgot I had that wrapped around there. My light pole, oh yeah. That hole there used to be where the water, I had it pumped up in there before, but there's the light pole. Sanded the edge down a little bit, and it just fits right in there. It's going to fit loose, so I can take it in and out when I'm hauling it. But I'll take it out and lay it in the boat for storage. But them guys, they're going to have to stay up there because they're kind of stuck. Let me get some light on. I'll show you what I did to the motor wise. Alright, if you guys know, that's a crawler transmission and a dry shaft. That's off of a Traxxas slash I made for it. And the gearing, the gearing that the Traxxas or the crawlers come with, it was just too slow. It wouldn't move the boat, so I used the Traxxas slash's gearing. I think that's a 50 or 54 tooths spur, and I run I think it's a 13 tooth pinion in it. It works good. I will take it back out again. Dynamite 60 amp, I think it is. I need to get a vacuum cleaner to suck all that dust stuff out of there while I was working on it. My battery go up in there. There's the port holes for the water pump. There's the water pump there. The connection for the batteries for the pump is there. There's the two batteries that's running the reel. Two 6-volt batteries. I got them parallel. Negative the positive. Then you hook your other wires to your negative and positive, and it makes it 12.8 volts. That's what's running the reel. Let's see, what did I do? Yeah, there's the little end that plugs into the motor for the reel. But yeah, what I had to replace is the hatch wood. It came unglued, so I glued it back up. Then I put screws for the wood, so it's not only glued and it's also screwed to the boat. That way it won't come back apart. But this right here, if this fails, your hatch going to come off too. If you get a pretty good sized fish on, this is where all the weight's going to be. That's what's going to be holding your reel and everything on. I had to notch it out for the reel motor, like I was saying in the earlier video. But guys, other than that, I got to install a little eye bolt here for the line, so it won't, because right now I don't have nothing in there to keep it straight for the reel to spool it up. So I was going to sink that down there probably about 1/4 of an inch, because I want some height on it, so it don't have a whole lot of tension on it. But other than that, it boat's ready to go again. I'll probably have it back out. Well, not real sure. The way my schedule stuff is, personal and work. I don't know, when I get ready to do it, I will be sure to let you guys know on my channel, a heads up. And we'll go from there. But I'm really pleased how the boat turned out after I redid it, re-sanded it, it just had some imperfections on the side I didn't really like, so I sanded it down pretty good, and there's the pump pickup. It pumps the water right out of the lake. So it's I think it's like, I wish I had a smaller tape measure here. I'll give you a quick measure. Like I said, this ain't new. It ain't no small boat. I got a tape measure here. 1 second. Right, hooked on the side. Whoa. Thirteen and a quarter inches wide. And from front to rear, this is where the boat ends, 47.5 inches long. That's just the boat, but the add-ons and extensions, the rudders, is 52 inches. So that's a little over, it's 4 foot and 4 inches. And when I was building the boat before, this boat had a weed whacker motor in it. I built it for the river, but I didn't have a boat to take to the river in case something happened to it, couldn't get it. So I go, Oh. Battery's done. Hold on a second, guys. I gotta attend to it. Yeah, when that thing beeps, I like to hurry up to unplug them. But I forgot what I was saying now. Oh, I converted to all electric. No, I decided to go to a fishing boat. Push myself to what I could do electronically and stuff like that, and see what I could actually build. Yeah, so but anyway, when I was building it, the mock-up, my daughter could actually sit inside the boat, and she is 6 years old now, and my boat is still bigger than she is. So I don't know, but it just goes tell you how big this boat is. It is little on the heavy side. Well, a lot on the heavy side. Probably goes 35 to 40 pounds, maybe 45, 50 with all the batteries in it. So yeah, the collar, I need to get that off when I was painting it. Don't look too good on there. But yeah, color scheme, a flat blacked it with a base coat. Then I went and sprayed this blue here on it. This is the color that I used. I know it's for car engines and stuff like that, but it worked, and it looks pretty good out in the sunlight. So yeah, that's what it looks like without the top. So, well, alright guys, if you like this, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I will post it into the description. And my electric just went out and came back on. If you like it, like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more stuff to come, and I will see you out on the water later.